Hello dear friends and welcome to your channel Learn Computer. We'll see how to solve the problem of opening Videoscribe program. Sometimes I try to access to the program but I can't, as I see. Double click on the shortcut to open. Login. As I see, I can't make access to the program. Close this. Why this problem happens? In fact, when I use a cracked version, I meet this problem, or I face this problem. First, how to solve this problem? There are some files are created and they are stored in a folder named caches, and how to reach to this folder. From my computer icon, go to view and take hidden items. This PC, open C partition and click users and click your username, your Windows username. Here it's Mido and it is different from you and it depends on your Windows username. Then app data, then roaming, then Videoscribe desktop, then local store, then library, then caches. Now all files here, you have to delete them. Now try to open the program. Double click on the shortcut. And login. Now the program opens. I can create a new Scribe. Okay. This problem will happen again. Why? You have to close the internet connection every time you use the program, because if you use the program while you are connected to the internet, this problem will face you. Go to the internet connection and disconnect it. Then use the program, because if you use the program while you are connected to the internet, these files will be created again. Thank you very much.